and here you can see the view. So here we are back again in Laitlum Canyon, and the weather is way too foggy and it's dripping rain a little bit, and we are heading towards the front. So we are here in Laitlum. So Laitlum literally means end of the world or end of hills, and it is located about 23 kilometers from the Shillong city. So if you're coming here to visit, please visit in the afternoon hours, as mornings are usually foggy, as you can see right now, and the views cannot be enjoyed properly. The last time I came, it was in the afternoon, and I departed from the place after the sunset. So yeah, it was worth it at the time. I'm heading towards Laitlum Canyon, and they have made a new park over here, Cipro Park. I think 3 years back when I came here, there was not anything kind of barricade over here. Everything was one whole field. Now maybe they have recently turned it into a new park. As you can see, it is covered in clouds. I hope after a few minutes maybe they get cleared so they can give you a proper view. And I really advise to visit Laitlum Canyon mostly in winter or in summer maybe, because rainy season is not the best for the Laitlum Canyon. Not just Laitlum Canyon, maybe many others places. In the rainy season you should come mostly for waterfalls, because in the winter season those places are you won't find any kind of water in the winter, as I did last time. I remember when I went to Seven Sisters, and there was those waterfalls were not visible. But now, yeah, now is the best time for the waterfalls. But for the canyon, I think rainy season is not the best. So make sure you plan more efficiently next time if you want to visit Laitlum. And it's not so far from main Shillong city. It might take around 20 to 30 kilometers, 20 to 24 kilometers, sort of that. Beware of the stairs because it kind of may get slippery, especially in this season.
Oh my god.
And it's quite getting clear. The vision is getting clear, as you can see. You can see those are the villages. You can trek and go down. So as you can see, those are the villages, and right there on that hill you can see, I wonder if they have got any road connection. Usually, I think, as I heard last time, they usually come through these stairs. They trek the whole mountain and they come over. I guess they come through here this way. And the village is again covered in white clouds. So as you can see, probably more commercialized. You have to pay 20% each for visiting the park. As you can see, the clouds, so it's like the clouds are dancing. It's too windy, and the canyon are covered in clouds. The view is can't be, I won't be able to describe. It's way too magnificent. Those are the canyons, as you can see. And it's too windy out here. Next time you plan a visit, you must go out like winter.
Good morning, guys. So this is the homestay we've been living in, and it's called Green Hills Homestay. It is inside, it's 1 kilometer inside Cherrapunji town. So this this property has only 3 rooms, and it has a room with lake view as well. Those are mini lake views, but as you can see, the view is absolutely amazing. So today it will be our 3rd day. Today we are planning to visit many waterfalls, just like Seven Sisters waterfall, and if we have got enough time, we'll visit Laitlum waterfall as well. But the thing is, in this trip I most really wanted to visit Wei Sawdong, and as the owner of this property has told me, due to heavy rainfall, the Wei Sawdong has been closed. Still, I have no idea, is it really closed or still open, but we'll go and ask few other people if this is really the case, and if there is slightly chances of visiting the Wei Sawdong, I'll definitely do that, because it is the most extremely beautiful waterfall, as you can see. But as you know, this is the rainy season and the water wouldn't be same as colorful as those pictures, but still we'll give it a shot. And as you can see, even this view is absolutely amazing. To live in such a peaceful place is really happening place. It's quite peaceful, and you can come with your family and have visit in this homestay as well. So guys, we have reached Seven Sister Waterfalls, and here you can see the view. Oi, diolin. Dijol-jolin dia. Oh, oi. Angun ni kelung-kelung. Ete. Origin sih. Oh, tengah ni bodoh. Bercuma ni kok. Itu lagi ada di hari betul. Ada hari betul. Ini boleh main ada di. Ada kapu kan ini betul nah.
Farsas beksud sih. Ikaw hagdan na tingnan lo.
Guys, we have reached Meghalaya Falls and the wind is way too much. The wind blast is too much, and here you can see.
छाती मत खोल फायदा नहीं है
So this is the Meghalaya Falls.
अच्छा स्पॉट है
हैं?
स्पॉट अच्छा है
ले ले अभी तो हो गया
नहीं
वै सौदोंग चल
ये जगह मतलब अच्छा है
हां
Guys, this is our next location. There is Wei Sawdong. I have been trying to come since like so many years. It went by. The last time I came, there was no any water, so I had to, skip because there was no water. So we have to do a bit of trekking right now. Steps are quite steep.
ओए तो सावधाने যেও বুঝছ अरे वाह घुराते नाही जय
It's coming.
Hormone dia unni uthebo. Yo bai pani no thole hoi jatte sob uthebo usko.
हाँ जुत्तुन देखा जाए स्टेप ये सिंह ये दो हाँ दिस तो Wei Sawdong right हैं Wei Sawdong हाँ Wei Sawdong हाँ ये है हाँ यही स्टेप
Kitna steps hoga?
around 500 steps
No, 330 I counted.
330
330 steps.
Where is this?
और ऐसे आधा लोकेशन
300
That's why
steps.
सिद्ध दौरा था क्या
Elli to ho yaar.
Yes, what is 10,000 hilli abhi? 3,300 steps. Dulu sang do.
It's quite steep, as
You cannot go there.
those scientists told us there is around 335 steps. It's not that much what we did in Bulls Track. The last time we did like more than 10,000 steps. So this is a piece of cake, and it has a better, steps compared to Bulls Track. In Bulls Track there wasn't any sort of man-made steps. This is much better. And this is not much of a risky because it has much of a grip, whereas in Bulls Track there wasn't sort of grip.
Hah? Step count karo.
না না
Hello. We are at Wei Sawdong. Huh? What is this
Yes.
place called?
Wei Sawdong.
Wei Sawdong. How many steps we must take for this?
Around 335 or 337 I guess,
Then
as
this is
told
around
by those
700 in
aunties.
total.
Yeah, not much of that what we did in Bull's Track.
What about tomorrow? Tomorrow we are going for 3,500 steps.
That's right, tomorrow will be, you know, going to double-decker bridge route, so there is much of a task. So double-decker living root bridge would be 3,500 steps each side. So basically for the two trip it will be, I guess, 7,000 steps. So this is a piece of cake in terms of if we compare with double-decker living root bridge. So we are done checking out the Wei Sawdong waterfalls. Now we are heading towards Waterfalls, which closes at 6 p.m. and here in Wei Sawdong it closes around 5 p.m. So anyone planning to come visit Wei Sawdong, you must come before 5 p.m. and make sure that you have, you know, proper, be on time. So next we'll see you in Waterfalls. Just be there. So guys, we have reached Laitlum Waterfalls. There's the waterfalls, and right now I can't show you because, you know, this is the danger zone and it's rainy season, so it's advised to, you know, do not go near the waterfall. This is the view from there. Right now I can't show you the waterfall, you know, because it's not safe. Guys, so will be our next place would be Prout Waterfalls. If it's late, then we'll go back to home. So guys, this will be end of the vlog, as it's quite late, so we won't be able to visit Prout Waterfall. But towards this ending, you can see the mesmerizing view. And if you want to visit Meghalaya, you must visit Wei Sawdong. Should be on top of your list because it's really beautiful. And just when you go above, on the right hand side, you'll find Laitlum waterfalls, and you can go back to if you want to visit other waterfalls as well. So yeah, this will be end of today's vlog, and see you on next vlog. Thank you, bye bye, have a good night.